Hey there, it's Lauren with Gear Cleaning Solutions, and in this video, we're going to learn how to do an advanced cleaning of your structural PPE. Advanced cleaning is the thorough cleaning of your gear and all of the elements by washing with cleansing agents. This usually requires your gear to be temporarily placed out of service. When doing an advanced cleaning, it is recommended that you use a front-load washer extractor with the correct cycle program settings for washing your PPE. Front-load washers perform cleaning by lifting garments out of the water and gently dropping them back into the water, called the flop. This mechanical action provides the best possible cleaning for your PPE. Always examine the manufacturer's label for instructions specific to washing your PPE. You never want to use chlorine bleach or chlorinated solvents for washing or spot treating structural or proximity PPE. Make sure you are using an approved PPE cleaning solution with a pH range between 6.0 and 10.5. This pH range should be reflected in the detergent's undiluted state. This can be determined by referencing the product label or MSDS sheets of the detergent you're using. Generally, you can find these online at the detergent manufacturer's website or by contacting them directly. In addition to the pH range of the detergent being used, demonstration by the supplier of the detergent that it is safe for use on firefighter protective clothing should be obtained. Your washer extractor should be programmed to a drum RPM of no more than 100 G-forces for all elements. You can contact the machine manufacturer or knowledgeable ISP to determine if you have an adjustable speed machine. Your machine should be programmed with the appropriate cycle formulas for washing PPE. Confirm that wash temperatures of your extractor do not exceed 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This can be done by consulting with your machine manufacturer or knowledgeable ISP that can program your machine for warm or cold cycles. Before loading the machine, make sure you separate your PPE and place shells with shells and liners with liners. You only want to wash like materials together in a cycle. If the coat element has a drag rescue device, it should be removed prior to the coat being laundered. If the DRD also requires cleaning, it should be placed in a separate mesh bag for washing. You can wash DRDs with your shells as they are like materials. You do not want to overload the extractor. A good rule of thumb is a 30-pound machine can wash 4 to 6 pieces of gear. A 60-pound machine can wash 8 to 10 pieces of gear. Pre-treat any areas that are heavily soiled with a spray bottle of the approved detergent if necessary. Any obvious soiled spots need to be scrubbed before washing. Mix up 1 ounce of detergent to 1 gallon of water for pre-treating. Fasten all closures, including pocket closures, hook and loop, snaps, zippers, hooks, and Ds. Make sure your machine runs 1 complete cycle and rinses at least twice within that cycle. Once the cycle has completed, inspect your PPE and rewash if necessary. If the machine is to be used for items other than protective ensemble elements, rinse out the machine by running an empty complete cycle with 120 degrees to 125 degrees Fahrenheit of water and detergent. And that's how you do an advanced cleaning of your structural personal protective equipment.